So you actually get to see kind of like the background of my filming. This is like where I film. I really hope I don't have anything like disgusting. I think it's just like baby wipes on my table and stuff like that from when I do my makeup. But yeah, I'm so excited. So yesterday I got contacted by a brand, my very first brand to contact me. It was very exciting for me. And so they contacted me and asked me if they could send me some products. So they did. So this is the Fox Tan. I'm super excited to actually like see like what they sent me. This thing got here in like a day. I'm obviously no influencer with my like 600 and something subscribers. I don't know how long it's like meant to take. And this is what they sent me. So they sent me their hydrating body spray in coconut mango. I can just tell that's gonna like smell awesome. They sent me 2 of the accelerants, and then they sent me a face tan accelerant. So thank you so much for sending me those products. I'm so excited to try these. I'm probably gonna do like a whole video on it just because, you know, I'm really excited. It's like the first brand that's reached out to me. And then I actually had a really like below average day today. Apart from like that being sent, that obviously like lifted my mood, but I didn't actually know that got sent till like 4 p.m. So before that I went to the shops and I bought the Friends Lego I bought the Friends Lego set, and if you know me, I'm like obsessed with Friends. My phone case has the Friends like logo. I have like a bunch of like Friends stuff like around here. I have Friends like bag. My sister got me a show bag. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen that. I am like obsessed, so I'm really excited to build this. I might do like a time lapse like later on of me like building it, but yeah, super excited for that. It was $90, which is very expensive, but I guess like, you know, when you have an obsession, it doesn't hurt anyone. You guys know like that TikTok that's like, I have an obsession, and it's an obsession that doesn't hurt anyone. It says it comes with a Gunther, but it only comes with his body. This is what I've done so far. And I found my cute little Gunther. So I've been building this for 2 hours. I'm this far through. Still got all of this to go. So we're about another hour in, and this is what it's looking like. Don't know if it's gonna look any different to the first shot, but I'm on page 4 now, like section 4, and there's like 50 more pages to go. So it has been like 4.5 hours, and I've finally finished. It's so pretty. Very tired, but very proud of myself. Now, what do I do with it? My hair's looking really crazy because I've just washed it, and I usually like blow dry it, so I've decided to let it air dry because it's so hot today. So I've just been to the optometrist, like Specsavers, and I've always had like perfect eyesight, so I've never really had to wear glasses or get braces, or like it has nothing to do with eyesight, you know, like I've like never had any issues with like anything really, so I've been really fortunate. But she told me that I do have to get glasses. I've noticed that like when I'm like editing a video, for example, or like on my computer for a little bit, like it's kind of blurry at first and then it kind of focuses, and she said that that's like astigmatism or something like that. I don't know, so I have to get glasses for when I'm editing. So yeah, I'm gonna look real cute when I'm doing that. So I'm actually editing this video right now, and I would just like to announce that I do not look cute in my glasses. I look quite dorky. And then I also went to Baker's Delight and I got some like a Hawaiian pizza thing, which, you know, isn't in my low calorie diet, but I'm filming today and I'm probably not going to eat until like dinner time, just because that's usually what happens when I film. I film like all day and like edit all day, and then I like forget to eat. So, and then I got a Beast Juice as well.
Photos can give you like a different perspective somehow.
I love the love heart. I think it looks cool. Sorry, I just got my tattoo done. I was literally going in there like just for a finger tattoo, like a love heart on my finger, which is like here. Got it up, and then I got one of my tattoos fixed that like I got when I was like drunk. It was I have like drawings because I didn't know what finger I wanted it on. It said 666 and like a little like smiley face with like a tongue. So yeah, I got that covered up. I got like a paw print and like an M for my dog Madeline. Currently up staying with my boyfriend. I didn't really vlog much just because he's not really like a camera person, and like driving was pretty boring. It's currently Friday now, so I'm up here till Sunday and then I have work. So I don't know what we're gonna do tomorrow or tonight. I'm pretty much gonna edit my video tonight. So yeah, I'll check in with you guys whenever I remember. So it's now been like 4 hours. Excuse the background. I'm in my boyfriend's house. I just really can't like be bothered making the bed, so I've still got like the Glad wrap on. She said to leave it on for 4 hours, but my boyfriend's like, I took that shit off straight away, but you know, I want to follow the rules because I don't want to have to go back there. It's gross. Feels like a condom. So that's my finger there. Oh my god, I really love it. I'm glad that I didn't go any smaller. Like if you have a look like here, there's like a smaller one. I was gonna go for a smaller one, but I feel like that like fills it up like perfectly. I've never broken a bone or anything, but I can imagine this is like 100th of what it would be like to take off a sweaty cast. Oh, there's like blood on my arm. Gross. People who have like full sleeves are probably like watching this and being like, are you kidding me? Yeah, I'm super happy. I'm gonna have a shower and wash this and see how I go. I'm not wearing a bra because I couldn't get my bra on without like scratching my arm, and I'm gonna fake tan, so I like Glad wrapped my tattoo and my hand so I didn't tan my finger, and then I'll just like run the excess over like the other fingers. So this is what I look like when I am pale. So I thought I would update on what I'm doing. It's really not interesting. I just fake tanned and I'm sitting like in my comfy, like, I don't know what you'd call this, like a jumper, sweats. I don't even know, like Americans call things like everything I think is like sweats. And I just edited a video. I'm just watching Remy on YouTube and I'm waiting for Callum to get back. Him and his housemate have gone out to get like groceries and beer and stuff. I don't know, it's Saturday night, so I figured I would start whilst they're gone. I'm really sorry if this is really boring. Like my life is really not that interesting. Like I try and play it out that it's really interesting, but it's really not. Just buying things I don't need. So I drove home from my boyfriend's and then I went straight to work. And I was pretty tired because it was like a 2.5 hour drive and I was like, I was at work. And then I came home to packages and I'm so excited. I'm like surprised even though I like ordered them, so I know what they are. Because I don't want to like crush it, but if you go to my Instagram, I posted a photo about it. That's my dog right there. Sent them a photo and they engraved it onto this keychain and it's so cute. I'm so stressed that like my dog's gonna die soon. I know that's really like morbid. So yeah, I've got this cute little keychain over it. It's really, really cute. I also got like a new phone case and a pop socket because I always like lean my phone up against things when I'm watching like YouTube videos when I'm eating and it's really annoying. And then I just got a mouse to connect to my laptop so it's easy to edit. And then I got a Beautylish order, which is majority of the stuff for the giveaway. So I'll show you what's in here. So I bought this for the giveaway. You can actually get these at my work, but they didn't have them like at all until like last week, and then I was like, oh well, I didn't really need to order this, but I ordered this stuff like a few weeks ago. A Jouer highlighter, and I got one for myself as well. I got a Natasha Denona bronzing and highlighting powder. It's like mini ones just because I wanted to try them. And if you bought like 2 of the Jouer highlighters, you got like a small one, so I got a small one like in a different shade. And then these are the 2 palettes that are going in the giveaway. Oh my god, let's just ignore like my Boost Juice has been there for like a week. So this is a cute little Jouer highlighter in the shade Rose Gold. And that's the color there. Oh my god, and yeah, that's my tattoo. It's pretty cute, huh? I loved it and then I didn't like it and now I like love it again now that I've looked at it more. And then that's like my little paw print that I got. It's the Jouer highlighter, the one that I'm keeping, sorry. But the giveaway is like worth $500, so hopefully you guys think it's enough. Also going to do another giveaway when I get to 1,000 subscribers. I've just hit 700, so that's awesome. Thank you. I know to some people that's like not a lot of subscribers, but I remember the day that I hit 100 subscribers. I can't actually read like what the shade is, but ooh, it's got magnetic packaging. So these are the shades there. It's just got a bronzer and a highlight. Okay, and then these are the Jouer highlighters. So let me know down below if you like vlogs and like behind the scenes sort of stuff. There's the packaging there. So pretty. I remember everyone used to rave about this highlight. That's so pretty. It's kind of like a darker version of like Mary Luminizer. It's pretty much my little haul. I bought some more stuff from Kmart. I was had half price tan, so I bought that. I bought like 3 bottles. I bought a humidifier from Kmart, which I want to try out. I'm like really new to like vlogging, but I love watching daily vlogs, so I'm gonna try and do like, or like weekly vlogs. I'm gonna try and do like a weekly one. Let me know if you're interested. Also, I didn't show you like an after photo, but this is, I don't know if you can see, this is Bondi Sands Aero Tan. I will say that I prefer the Bondi Sands like ultra dark mousse, just because I feel like this one doesn't go as dark as like the ultra dark one does. And I left it on for 6 hours, and it says to leave it on for like 2 or 3 to 4, and I left it on for 6. And also I feel like it applies like really patchy. Like once it's on, it's fine, but like the color guard is like patchy, and I feel like it doesn't like blend as well. So I'm gonna use it all up because I have it, and maybe when I'm at the end of the bottle I'll like it better, you know, after I've used it a few times. I've used it twice now. I might sleep in it next time and see how I feel. But yeah, I definitely at the moment am preferring like the normal Bondi Sands ultra dark. That's all I have to say. I might end the vlog here. Let me know if this was boring, if it was interesting or anything like that, or, you know, let me know if you're just here for the giveaway. I'm really interested to see like how many people will stay after the giveaway. I hope you guys will like stay subscribed, just because like it's not fair like just to be here for the products. Like, you know, if you don't actually like the person, then don't enter their giveaway. You know what I mean? That's all I have to say. I hope you guys are having a really good day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.